Hey there, foodies and fitness enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of protein and uncovering some sneaky ways to boost your protein intake without breaking the bank or spending hours in the kitchen. Now, protein is a big deal, folks. It's like the superhero of nutrients, helping your body build and repair muscles, keeping your skin, hair, and nails healthy, and even producing the hormones and enzymes that keep everything running smoothly. But let's be real, hitting those protein targets can be a challenge. So, let's explore some simple and delicious ways to sneak more protein into your everyday meals. First up, egg whites. Most of the protein in an egg is in the white, with around 3 to 4 grams in the white of one large egg. You can easily add 1 or 2 egg whites to your scrambled eggs, frittatas, fried rice, or even porridge for a quick protein boost. Next, Greek yogurt. Half a cup of Greek yogurt can provide around 8 to 15 grams of protein, depending on the brand. Swap milk for Greek yogurt on cereal, blend it into a smoothie, or use it in place of mayo or sour cream. It's a versatile and tasty way to up your protein game. Now, let's talk about nuts and seeds. Hemp and pumpkin seeds are among the highest in protein, while peanuts, almonds, and pistachios offer around 6 to 7 grams per handful. Chia seeds provide about 4 grams in just 2 tablespoons. Sprinkle them over cereal, yogurt, or salads, or spread nut butter on toast for a quick and easy protein lift. Cottage cheese is another great option. Just a quarter cup adds around 6 to 7 grams of protein. Try mashing it with avocado for toast, whisking it into hotcake batter, or stirring it through pasta sauces and lasagna. Nutritional yeast, often called nooch, is a protein powerhouse. It contains close to 50% protein by weight, making it one of the most protein-rich pantry staples. Sprinkle it over popcorn, pasta, or salads, or stir it into soups and sauces for a cheesy, savory flavor. Legumes are another excellent source of protein. Add them to curries, soups, and salads, or keep canned varieties on hand for quick meals. Soybeans, lentils, chickpeas, and kidney beans typically provide around 12 to 18 grams of protein per cooked cup. Parmesan cheese is one of the most protein-rich cheeses, and its strong flavor means a little goes a long way. Just a 10g sprinkle over pasta, soup, salad, or eggs can add around 3 to 4 grams of protein. Green peas are surprisingly protein-rich, with 1 cup providing around 8 to 9 grams. Toss them into stir-fries, soups, curries, and salads, or serve them simply steamed as an easy side. Bone broth is another great option, with many varieties containing around 7 to 10 grams of protein per cup. Use it as a base for soups or try cooking rice or grains in it instead of water. Finally, silken tofu is smooth, mild-flavored, and incredibly versatile. It blends easily into pasta sauces instead of cream, works well as a substitute for coconut milk in curries, and disappears nicely into smoothies, pancakes, and scrambled eggs. Just 100g adds around 5 to 6 grams of protein. Remember, folks, it's the small additions throughout the day that make the biggest difference. Adding 1 or 2 protein-rich ingredients to meals and snacks can help boost your protein intake and satiety, while also delivering a range of valuable vitamins and minerals. So, there you have it. 10 sneaky ways to add protein to your food each day. Stay tuned for more delicious and healthy tips, and don't forget to like and subscribe.